Welcome back to White Creek. Today we are going to be bringing the sub base up for the office / living quarters of the barn. We're using a sand clay mix. We got 2 loads delivered. On the back side I put a level string so I'll know basically what level I need to match all the way around. We need to add about 8 inches average throughout this whole area before we can compact it and get ready to pour concrete. One important thing to keep in mind as you're bringing up your lifts, go ahead and start where you enter and work forward. That way it's nice and level. If you have uneven ground like we do here and you start at the end, as you're backing out, your bucket will go up and down and sway as you go over the terrain. So if you start at the end and work forward, you can keep a nice flat even shelf, and that helps spread the dirt evenly. So it's day 2. I've gotten the first level compacted. Pulled my lines again so I know the finished floor level. I'm going back in and filling the low spots, so that's what I'm working on now. So I finished spreading out the second layer of sand clay mix. Basically I started out spray painting all the level spots, filling in the low spots. Got that done now, so I'm going to take my strings back down and use the tractor to do the second compaction.